This professional 3D digital twin platform builds a highly realistic, full-scale 3D tank model, perfectly integrated into an immersive traditional Chinese-style scene, with exquisite cultural aesthetics. Through intuitive interactive clicks, you can freely view high-definition exploded views of the tank's core propulsion system and armored protection system, with detailed pop-up windows showing structural parameters, working principles and full specifications of every component and spare part. With one click on the simulation drill button, you can smoothly switch to an immersive military tactical exercise simulation interface, matched with professional, high-definition UI-dated dashboards and real-time monitoring charts. This system realizes full process visual management, equipment status tracking, and intelligent simulation for military armored equipment, delivering an intuitive, efficient, and immersive digital experience for equipment training, technical demonstration, and tactical rehearsal.